Hello, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you several different styling techniques that I use that will help you to create a taller and leaner appearance. At this stage in life, let's face it, we're changing, our bodies are changing, and our shape might be changing as well. First and foremost, I want you to embrace your body. Whatever body the Lord has blessed you with, embrace it, love it, you are beautiful. Most all of us have parts of our bodies that we would like to either minimize or smooth out a little bit, and that's where shapewear will come in, and shapewear will be so much help for you. See the difference that the shapewear is creating? That's a lovely dress. It's beautiful on her, and then she just puts on a little bit of shapewear and it smooths everything out and it looks lovely on her. Same with this. Lovely. And it makes such a difference. All right, pay close attention to your posture. Just standing up straight can actually make you look 5 pounds lighter. So making sure that you are really paying attention to your posture, give yourself a nice long neck, stand up straight, that's gonna do wonders. Okay, up next would be tucking in your shirt, or at the minimum doing a front tuck. I don't think you'll ever see me without my shirt either tucked in completely or with a front tuck. I'm only 5'2½", so in order to elongate my legs, maybe make myself have a little bit more definition in the waist, I make sure I always do the front tuck. So I've got the shirt on, it's not tucked in, you know, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it definitely doesn't look great. So I tuck it in, I put my belt on to accentuate the waist, to elongate my legs. Doesn't that look so much better? Then I change it up even more by taking off the black flat and putting on a nude flat, because again, that will elongate my leg, even if it's just a tiny bit. That's going to elongate my leg and make it look a tiny bit longer. And then I fold the denim in just a tiny bit under, so it's a tiny bit shorter, so I'm showing the thinnest part of my ankle as well. See how much better it looks? All of it. Little tiny tweaks, but there's such a huge difference. All right, up next would be high-rise pants or jeans. High-rise pants or jeans are going to actually help to elongate your leg and give you a longer, leaner appearance. High-rise jeans, pants, or skirts typically rise up to the thinnest part of your waist, therefore accentuating the smallest part of your torso. Wearing a lower rise jean is just going to create a horizontal line in one of the largest parts of your torso. So it's not going to be as flattering to you, to anyone, honestly. Okay, in this one right here, I'm showing you 3 different pictures. The picture on the left and right, they both have a higher rise jean. The picture in the center is more of a mid-rise or lower rise jean, and you see how it's not quite as flattering on the one in the center as the other two on the side. So just go for a higher rise and it'll make a world of difference for you. Same situation, except for the one on the far right, the one on the far left. They're both a lower rise pant. While the outfits look great, they're adorable outfits, they would be more flattering for these women if they had a higher rise pant like the one in the center. See how that's elongating her leg and making her look a little taller. Okay, this one's super cute. You can tell she's a real petite person, and she's got that higher rise jean and it just elongates her legs. It looks great on her. This, another high rise, very flattering to her. She's got her blazer on, she's got her little structured bag, and she looks great. She looks wonderful. Okay, this one again, I love this one. She has got the V-neck, which is again flattering. She's got the higher rise pant, she's got that adorable nude heel, and she's got her blazer. It looks great on her. Okay, this one again, a higher rise. She's got her cute little tennis shoes on, she's got a little tank top on, and then she's got her little button-down shirt on. Adorable, very flattering. Okay, this again, love this higher rise white jean. She's got it belted, she's got her shirt tucked in. It looks wonderful on her. Again, a higher rise jean, and it just elongates her leg. She's got the adorable little sweater blazer on over her cute little cami. Love that. Okay, here's another side-by-side I've got for you. Same lady, beautiful young lady. In one of the pictures, she's got a shirt that's untucked, and while she looks great, when it's tucked in, it's a more flattering look. Love that. Hey, here again, same situation. Beautiful lady. In the one picture, she's got it untucked, and she looks great, but in the second picture, she's got it tucked in, and it just elongates her legs, and it looks wonderful on her. This one again, she's got the front tuck going, and it just helps to create that lovely silhouette. All right, up next would be accentuate your waist, whether it be with a belt or a sash, perhaps a fitted bodice, such as a peplum, or maybe fitted through the waist in a dress. These are a lovely way to help to create the silhouette that you're looking for. Okay, this one, see the difference, the side by side. She's got that really cute little spring dress on, and then she's taken her shirt and she's just tied it at the waist to show her curves. It's lovely. Okay, this one, she's got the peplum dress on, beautiful with that V-neck. Okay, and this one, she's got that adorable skirt on. She's got the shirt on and then the belt to accentuate her waist. Lovely. This one, I love how she's got the adorable turquoise sweater over that black dress, but she's belted it. I think that is just darling on her. Same idea with this one. Instead of just having the blazer laying loose, she went ahead and belted it to accentuate her waist. Again, adorable. She's got this fabulous, comfortable summer dress on, and she's put the belt on to add a little definition there. Then that adorable little denim jacket. Very cute. Okay, here again, first of all, the dress is beautiful on its very own. It's lovely. I love how it accentuates her waist because it's fitted at her waist. Then she's changed it up by adding the t-shirt to it. Adorable. And then she's added that cute little shrug to it as well. Love that. That dress is beautiful on her. This one, adorable. She's got this cute dress on. She put this little denim button-up shirt over the top and then belted it. It looks great on her. And then she's wearing the nude colored heel, which then elongates her leg. This one, another peplum, and then she's belted it. Love that. Super cute. She's got this skirt with the sash, and it's lovely on her. Okay, up next would be V-neck shirts. A V-neck shirt is a wonderful way to help draw the eye up to the smallest and most delicate part of your body. And this will help to create a longer and leaner effect as well. Okay, this one looks fabulous. She's got this peplum shirt on. She's got that nice V-neck. That is a beautiful outfit on her. Okay, this, again, lovely V-neck. She's got the shirt tucked in with a higher rise pant. It looks wonderful on her. Okay, this one, again, that's a little low, but I think it looks great. She's got that V-neck. She's got the higher rise pant on. It looks great on her. This, again, more of a peplum, so it's accentuating her waist. She's got the V-neck. She's got the higher rise jean. It's a lovely outfit on her. Another V-neck shirt with the high rise pants with a front tuck. Adorable. This one is so pretty. She's got that peplum V-neck shirt on, so it's accentuating her waist along with that lovely skirt. It's beautiful on her. All right, this one, another V-neck, and she's also doing that monochrome look. So she's got that higher rise skirt on with the V-neck shirt tucked in and also the lighter colored shoes. It looks great on her. Here's another V-neck with the high rise pant, and it's tucked in, really accentuating her waist and creating a lovely silhouette. This one, again, she's got the lovely V-neck shirt on with the high rise pencil skirt. It looks fabulous on her. And then here again, high rise shorts, got her button down shirt, and she's got it wrapped. Adorable. All right, the next trick I'm going to tell you about would be nude colored shoes. Nude colored shoes or even heels. But wearing a nude color will help elongate your leg even just a teeny tiny bit. That is going to help. So that's another trick that you want to try. Okay, up next would be vertical lines. Creating vertical lines, whether it be with a blazer, a duster. So see how she's got this duster on with, she's got her jeans on, she's got it belted, she's got the shirt, and then she's got that long duster, and it just elongates her. It looks great. Here's another one. She's got the high-rise jean on, she's got that cute little heel on, and then she's got that fabulous blazer on, and it looks great on her. This one, again, a little more casual, a little more relaxed. The only thing I would change is I would go a little more nude on that shoe, but I love that. I think that's adorable on her. This one, again, great. She's got a fabulous shoe on for it. There's a little bit of color to it, but it's a real light color, and it kind of blends in with her body. The denim is a high rise. She's got it belted. She's got her shirt tucked in. I love this outfit. It looks wonderful on her. Okay, here again, love this. She's got the jeans, high rise. She's got her shirt tucked in. She's got her blazer on. Adorable. This one, love it. She's got her higher rise pant on. She's got her shirt tucked in. She's got that blazer on. Then she's got that lovely little nude shoe. Great. Love that on her. I love this one. This is adorable as well. She's got high rise pants. She's got her shirt tucked in. And then she's got that cute little blazer on. And then she's even got a little heel on, which also elongates her leg as well. It looks great. Okay, next we're going to talk about wrap dresses and tops. I'm going to show you how absolutely flattering these are on all body types. These are so beautiful and so feminine. The wonderful thing about the wrap dress or a wrap shirt, it creates that V-neck to elongate you, and it also cinches in your waist, and so it creates this beautiful silhouette. You're gonna love these. I absolutely love this one. It's gorgeous on her. This blue with the red stitching on it. Love that. It's so lovely on her. Lovely look. Okay, here's another one. It looks beautiful on her, creating this lovely silhouette. Here is a wrap shirt. This is beautiful. It's cinching in her waist. She's got the V-neck. I love this blue on her. I think that's adorable. Okay, here's again a lovely wrap dress. Such a lovely look. All right, up next would be monochromatic. Now, this does not mean you have to wear black from head to toe. You do not have to wear black from head to toe, but just wearing one color or one color variation. So whether you're wearing blue with blue, even if it's a little darker blue with a little lighter blue, or pink with pink, or whether it be a gray with a gray, or even like a white with a cream, or a camel, a lighter camel with a cream, just kind of the same color variations, and then that will also help to create the longer, leaner effect. Okay, this one, lovely browns together, beautiful on her. She's also got her shirt tucked in, and she's got the belt on to accentuate her waist. Love that. This is adorable with this adorable wrap blouse and her high-waisted jean, and it's all one color. It looks great on her. Okay, this one, denim with denim, the blue with the blue. It looks lovely with her cute little structured bag. Here, I love the red. I love the tie waist. I think that's just fabulous on on her, accentuating her waist and creating a beautiful silhouette. Okay, I love this outfit. I want this shirt. This is just beautiful on her. I love the bag. I think it's fabulous. She's got that high-waisted pant. She's got the shirt tucked in. That is a gorgeous outfit. Okay, this again, mostly blue. It looks fabulous with the blue blazer, the high-rise jean, and her shirt's tucked in. Love it. Okay, this one again, white. It looks beautiful on her. She's got it tied in at the waist. She's got that nude shoe on. Love it. Okay, this one again, all black. It looks beautiful on her. She's wearing the black pants, her shirt's tucked in, and her black blazer. Love that. So beautiful. Okay, this one's adorable. She's got that fabulous pink pant. It's like a dusty mauve-ish, got a little salmon in there, and then the shirt on top and that lovely structured bag. I think that's fabulous on her. High-waisted, shirt's tucked in. Lovely. All right, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a favor and leave me a heart in the comment section so I know who you are. I really appreciate those hearts. If you liked this video, do me a favor and leave me a thumbs up and maybe send it to a friend. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be safe. Show God's love to everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.